What's up YouTube, it's your channel YTV and I'm back with another episode. Today we have topic about New York rapper 50 Cent. This week Curtis Jackson posted a video and addressed Stars directly with the caption: "Hey Stars, do you realize that this guy is the Rocky Balboa of the industry? Don't want to be on the wrong side of history," wrote 50 Cent. This post comes after Stars announced that our book for Force is renewed for season 2. According to the rap, while the rapper's contract with Stars is ending soon, it's not officially up until the fall. Today I want to show you guys pictures and videos of 50 Cent, his girlfriend Cuban and cast of the TV series. You can check out pictures on the screen. Force is such a cold show and seeing everyone in the speaks smiling is almost hard to believe, but it's dope. And today guys we have also another topic about Drake. According to DJ Academics, Drake has more than enough money to give away some cash. A clip which shared DJ Academics shows rapper giving a guy a stack of cash and guy gives Drake a big hug. So let's check this out, this video, come on.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
If you don't know guys, Drake also gave away $1 million during the shooting of his track God's Plan in 2018. So what you'll think about Drake giving away all that money? Write your thoughts in the comments below, stay tuned, subscribe YTV, get the notification bells, and don't forget to visit the website evokeTV.com. Thank you so much for watching, peace.